Are you planning to buy a new car in 2025? Wait a second, because not all car brands are created equal. Some may look stylish or offer fancy features, but under the hood, they're hiding reliability nightmares, weak resale value, and sky-high maintenance costs. In this video, we're exposing the top 11 worst car brands that many regret buying. Make sure to watch till the end, because even some of the most popular names made this list. Let's get into it. Number 1. We have Fiat. Fiat has consistently ranked low in reliability and customer satisfaction reports. Though they're small, city-friendly designs may appeal to budget-conscious buyers. The ownership experience often tells a different story. The most common complaints involve poor build quality, electrical issues, engine troubles, and transmission failures, even in relatively new models. What makes it worse is the lack of a strong service network in many areas, meaning repairs often take longer and cost more than expected. Plus, resale value drops significantly faster than comparable compact cars. Fiat's models may be cheap upfront, but their long-term costs can quickly surpass their initial savings. In 2025, with countless better alternatives in the compact and budget category, Fiat remains a brand many buyers end up regretting. Number 2, we have Land Rover. Land Rover's luxury image is undeniably attractive, but behind the prestige lies a long history of mechanical issues and outrageously high maintenance costs. While they offer cutting-edge features and stunning off-road capabilities, the ownership experience tends to be far from smooth. From air suspension problems to electrical system failures and frequent check engine lights, Land Rovers are notorious for reliability issues, even on brand new models. Repair costs are among the highest in the industry, and parts availability can be frustrating, especially for older vehicles. Moreover, Land Rovers depreciate quickly, making them a poor investment if you're thinking long-term. In 2025, unless you have deep pockets and are ready to spend more time in the service center than on the road, Land Rover is best avoided. Number 3. We have Jeep. Jeep may have a strong off-road heritage, but recent years have seen the brand struggle with reliability and overall value. The Jeep Cherokee, Compass, and Renegade, in particular, have been plagued with engine troubles, transmission failures, and faulty electronics. Many owners report frequent visits to the dealership for recurring issues, and customer satisfaction ratings continue to drop. While Jeeps may be fun to drive in rugged conditions, they often don't hold up well in daily use or long-term ownership. Combine that with subpar fuel efficiency, high maintenance costs, and below-average safety scores, and it's easy to see why Jeep lands on our list. In 2025, there are plenty of better-performing SUVs in the same price range that offer a more dependable and cost-effective experience. Number 4. We have Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi has been struggling to stay relevant in recent years, and it shows. While their vehicles are often priced competitively, the lower upfront cost usually comes with a long list of compromises, outdated designs, weak performance, and limited safety tech. The brand's reliability has taken a hit, and many models feel cheap both inside and out. The engines are underpowered, ride quality is harsh, and the infotainment systems often lag behind competitors. Worse, Mitsubishi's resale value is among the lowest in the industry, meaning you'll lose money fast if you decide to trade it in. If you're considering a Mitsubishi in 2025, think twice. Better options are available at similar prices with far fewer headaches. Number 5. We have Chrysler. Chrysler's lineup has dwindled in recent years, and what's left isn't exactly inspiring. The Chrysler 300 and Pacifica are plagued with quality control issues and dated designs. Many owners complain about mechanical problems after just a few years, especially with electronics, suspension systems, and interior components. While the Pacifica Hybrid showed some innovation, it also brought its own set of reliability nightmares. Combine that with poor fuel efficiency, high repair costs, and rapidly declining resale value, and Chrysler becomes a risky bet. with competitors offering more refined and reliable options in the same categories. 2025 is not the year to gamble on Chrysler. Number 6. We have Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo is known for its sleek, Italian design and thrilling performance, but their vehicles often fall apart when it comes to dependability. Models like the Giulia and Stelvio have repeatedly faced problems with electronics, drivetrain issues, and random breakdowns. Alfa's limited dealership network in North America only makes things worse. Getting service or parts can be a lengthy and expensive process. The infotainment systems are glitchy, the interior feels rushed, and the overall reliability ratings are abysmal. If you're considering Alfa Romeo in 2025, be prepared for frustration. This brand is better admired from a distance than owned in your garage. Number 7. We have Mini. Mini vehicles might look cute and sporty, but their ownership experience is anything but fun. With cramped interiors, stiff rides, and subpar fuel economy for their size, Minis often disappoint in daily use. But the real issue lies in their mechanical reliability. Engine and transmission problems are not uncommon, and many owners report frequent visits to the repair shop. Parts and service are expensive, and Mini's resale value is surprisingly weak given their initial price tag. In 2025, you're better off avoiding this brand unless you're okay with style over substance and a hefty maintenance bill. Number 8. We haste Chevrolet certain models. While Chevrolet does have some great vehicles in their lineup, certain models like the Malibu, Trax, and Spark have been plagued with quality concerns. Engine stalls, electrical issues, and outdated designs make them tough to recommend. Chevrolet's small cars especially suffer from cheap interiors, weak safety ratings, and below-average reliability. Owners have also expressed frustration with inconsistent customer service and costly repairs. If you're eyeing a Chevy in 2025, be selective and steer clear of their lower-tier models unless you want more problems than performance. Number 9. We have Cadillac. Cadillac aims to be a luxury brand, but many of its vehicles fall short in both reliability and refinement. Frequent electronic glitches, transmission problems, and poor interior durability plague models like the XT4 and CT5. What's worse, Cadillac vehicles depreciate at a rapid pace, often much faster than other luxury competitors. Maintenance costs are high, and the brand's effort to compete with German rivals like BMW and Mercedes still feels undercooked. In 2025, Cadillac is a tough sell unless you find a killer deal, and even then, it might not be worth the future headaches. Number 10. We have Nissan certain models. Nissan once had a strong reputation for reliability, but that image has faded in recent years. Models like the Altima, Sentra, and Rogue have suffered from CVT transmission failures, poor interior quality, and laggy infotainment systems. Many of these issues show up early in ownership and become worse with time. While Nissan trucks and some higher-end models fare better, their entry-level and mid-range vehicles are falling behind the competition. Until they improve build quality and ditch their problematic CVTs, certain Nissans are best left on the lot. Number 11. We have Acura surprising but true. This might surprise you, but Acura has been slipping in recent years. While the brand once stood as a reliable and affordable luxury choice, recent models have struggled to impress. Infotainment systems are clunky, designs feel outdated, and reliability is no longer what it used to be. Many consumers have reported frustrating electronic failures and transmission issues. The cost of maintenance is rising, but the luxury feel just isn't there to back it up anymore. In 2025, Acura may still offer decent value, but it's no longer the sure thing it used to be. There you have it, the 11 car brands you should avoid in 2025 if you want peace of mind and value for your money. Remember, the wrong car can cost you thousands in repairs, drop in value fast, and turn your dream purchase into a regret. Do your research, read real owner reviews, and always think long term. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest car reviews. Drive smart, and see you in the next one.